Hello guys, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. In this video I will be showing you how to build an image toggler. It's where you tap on an image and it changes to a different icon. So I'll create my img tag, I'll give it an ID of image, then I'll give it a source of a thumbs down icon. So let me find it good. How about I'll take this one. I'll just copy its link, go right in between these two quotation marks, then paste it. And with the HTML, now we can get started with the Javascript. So we have to store that image element in a variable called image. And then we'll add an event listener for it, which will listen for a click event, and then it'll do something after that. And what I want it to do is, if image.source equals this really long link, I'm pretty sure these two links match. So if that case is true, then we want to change that image source to this link. Let me just copy and paste this. So Command C equals that. Okay, and then else if the image source equals the thumbs up icon, then we want to switch it back to thumbs down. So image.source, it was this one. So image link, we might have to do some resizing with the image. Now let's take a look at it. Which one was it? This one. I'll say that it worked even though I picked the wrong pairs. They're not the same color. This is filled in black and the other one is filled in white. Works. You guys can go create your own. You don't have to use thumbs up and thumbs down. You can use anything you want, any image you want, but I just chose this. Anyways, that wraps it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm on my way to 30 subscribers. Do you think I can reach that goal by the end of this month? If I can, then I'll probably do a little giveaway. I'm not sure what I'll do, but we'll see. I hope you guys have a nice day. See you in my next video.